going on? Thank you for joining me on another quick video. This is my Echo, world's lightest, smallest chainsaw, as they claim. It's a 25cc. It's a CS2511t. Very lightweight. Previous video, I done a comparison to my 201t. Huge difference. About 2 pounds in weight difference. The height, the width, the length. This chainsaw here normally comes with a 12-inch bar. I went for the 14 because I have so many 14-inch chains. I don't want to carry all different sizes. If I notice a big difference, I'll go back to the 12-inch. But the reason I got this saw is for the weight. Weight and size. 2 pounds makes a big difference when you're holding it for an hour in one hand. Makes a huge difference. Excuse me. So I'm going to start this up. I did put some gas in it, so let's prime it there. Oh, and also another big thing. These little screens in your mufflers, I always take them out. I know there's mixed feelings about them, but they get built up with carbon. As time goes on and you use your chainsaw, this will become black and full of carbon, and you're going to lose performance. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people bring in their saws into the shop because the performance was down and the only thing was wrong is this was all clogged up. So while everything is new and I can get everything loosened up, I always take these out of everything. So I don't have that issue. They're bullshit. It's supposed to be like an EPA thing, supposed to save the environment, which I don't see how a screen will, just building up carbon on it. But you know what? Opinions are like assholes. Everybody has one. I don't use them. Anyway, there it is. Very lightweight. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. I'm going to set the camera down. Alright, well, the saw feels amazing. I feel the power in it. Of course, it's not going to cut it good as my steel 21T, but like I said, I'm going for the weight and size difference because the weight makes a big difference. So yeah, there it is. Oil's awesome. It's got an oil adjuster on top right here. Very nice. The bar is going to stay lubricated. I don't have to worry about having a dry chain. Very nice saw. Very happy with it. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.